Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about target audience. That's correct. What is your target audience? How can you uncover it? A step-by-step guide in helping you find your ideal customer. So this video is going to be very helpful for you, especially if you're going to start launching your marketing campaigns or going to start creating your marketing strategies. So let's get started. And before we talk about the steps, let's talk about what is target audience. A target audience is a group of people who are interested in the products or services that your business offers. You want your business to get in front of your target audience through online advertising and marketing efforts, so you can introduce yourself, that's your business, in front of them and tell them what you offer and why they should choose you. In other words, how can you help them conveying this message correctly? Now, this group can be defined by age, interests, behaviors, job titles, and then understanding their pain points and what they like to buy. Finding out who this group is, in other words, who this audience is, and understanding their needs is a significant step in building an effective plan for your digital marketing. Now, why it's important to know your target audience? It's vital to figure out your target audience because it will help you create more effective marketing campaigns and strategies. By understanding your target audience, you can tailor your messaging and marketing efforts to better connect with and persuade those prospective customers to take action. Whatever action you want them to take, whether it is visiting your website, whether it is getting in touch with you, subscribing to your email newsletter, or purchasing your products. Additionally, understanding your target audience can help you make better decisions about where to advertise and channels to utilize, whether are you going to use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Google Ads to use in order to reach your target audience. So in order to create the marketing strategy and analyze what sort of channels are you going to utilize to reach them, you need to uncover your target audience. It also helps you save time and money by knowing what your target audience likes, their interests and behaviors. This is so you can target specific people and not waste time and marketing budget on reaching people who aren't interested in your products and services. I hope that's clear. Now, moving on, let's talk about the step-by-step guide to uncovering your target audience. Number 1, define your target audience. Start by identifying the characteristics of your ideal customer, such as their age, gender, income, education level, occupation, their behaviors, their interests. Number 2, gather data. Use various tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, customer surveys, and your CRM to gather data on your current customers. This data can help you understand their demographics, behavior patterns, and interests. Number 3, analyze your competition. Study your competitors and their target audience to understand the market and identify gaps in their approach. As an example, if your competitor, obviously, who is offering the same products or services like you do, and you go on their website, see what channels they are using, what sort of keywords they are ranking for, and then you can go and visit their pages, see what channels are they are using. Are they on Instagram? Are they on LinkedIn? What sort of content they are posting, how much engagement they are generating. This will give you an idea where your target audience is. Number 4, create buyer's persona. Use the data you've gathered so far to create detailed buyer's personas. Now, buyer personas are fictional representations of your ideal customers. Number 5, use social media. Use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to gather data on your target audience. Use tools such as Facebook Audience Insights to see demographics, interests, and behaviors of your current followers. Number 6, conduct customer research. Reach out to your current customers and ask them about their needs, wants, and pain points. You can ask them if they are satisfied with your services and what else you can do to make your services and products even better. This will help you to keep improving your services and making your products even better. Number 7, test and validate. Once you have gathered all of your data, test and validate your findings by analyzing the results of your campaigns and seeing how they perform. Use A/B testing to validate your assumptions about your target audience. In the end, which is point number 8, continuously monitor. Keep an eye on your target audience and make sure to continuously update your data as customer preferences and demographics change over time. By following these tips, you can develop a deep understanding of your target audience and can create effective marketing strategy and marketing campaigns to reach your target audience, which will work and help you get better conversions. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, do get in touch with me or comment below and I will reply to it ASAP. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.